Hi, my name is Melissa Honan. I'm the CEO of Bookkeeping for Painters. Today, I'll bring you some financial tips for your painting business. At Bookkeeping for Painters, it's really important to us that you understand your finances and what happens in your account. And so, a big pain point that a lot of painting business owners bring to me is that they don't even understand what reconciliation really is. So, you're not alone if you don't understand what the process of reconciliation actually means. Reconciling is the last step in the bookkeeping process, and it's really a final check to make sure that everything is there, nothing's missing, and there aren't any duplicates. So we use QuickBooks Online. And in QuickBooks Online, we connect all of your accounts, your bank accounts, your credit cards, savings, and your vendor accounts when we can. And when those accounts are connected, they pull in all of the transactions from the bank into QuickBooks Online so that we can categorize them. We put them in the different buckets, right? This is materials, this is gas. And then at the end of the month, we take what has been put into QuickBooks Online and we compare it to the end of month bank statement. And we go line by line and make sure that every line matches. If there's something missing, we'll go in and update it. Software is, infallible. It might just be that there was a connection error. Maybe your bank left it off the statement. There are things that happen when it comes to technology, right? And occasionally the software might create a duplicate, or maybe you have an office admin that didn't realize what they were doing and they added in a duplicate. We'll go in and remove any extras. We want to make sure we know where all the money is going, where it's coming from, and how it needs to be categorized. And the best way to do that is reconciliation. It can be a really easy process. QuickBooks Online makes it really easy to reconcile. It's really important for security purposes. Even if you've never done reconciliation before and maybe nothing bad has happened, that doesn't mean that everything's going to be fine in the future. Reconciliation is a great way to check for fraud. It's a great way to do a once over look at your finances and see all the transactions in one place. And it's also a really great time to make sure that everything is categorized appropriately so that you can maximize your tax deductions. Every month, you should be going through your account, making sure that it's reconciled appropriately so that you can move to the next month on a clean slate. If you let this go on too long, say you don't reconcile and you wait till the end of the year, it's really hard to remember what was going on 6, 8, 12 months from now. I know sometimes I can't remember what I had for breakfast last week. How are you supposed to remember what a transaction was supposed to be, or when a check was cashed, or when a deposit was made? By doing this regularly on a weekly or monthly basis, you're being proactive to know that your financial situation is going to be taken care of. If you don't feel comfortable categorizing your own transactions or reconciling your accounts, this is something that you can delegate to a bookkeeping professional. It's always great for you to think about the things that you don't need to be doing in your business. This is a great thing to outsource so that you can spend the time that you need to on marketing, sales, and operations. Hopefully, this video helps you understand why reconciliation is a really important step in the bookkeeping process.